Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for You. This morning we're going to go through extending an application in VA Smalltalk. And what I mean by that is, well, I'll show you. I'll go to here to create an application, and we're just going to call this something simple, arithmetic extensions. And then in here, what we want to do is just create a simple dependency on ABT base app. And what we're going to do is we're going to add classes, add, and then instead of subclass, we're going to add an extension. So what we're going to have is we're going to say we're going to extend class number. And then we're going to change this to method source, and we're going to put in a new method that does not exist, cubed, and just answer self times self times self. Now the advantage of this is I don't have to go to the application owns number and go ahead and add the cube method there and then version a system application. If it's an extension, I can add it in my own code and then of course use it, so I can come in here and do a new and get a workspace. And then I can do something like 5 cubed and go ahead and execute that. And then I can try, since I did this in number, 1.25 cubed, and try that. And of course that works. So the advantage is I can take my own code, and as long as it's an extension, I'm not trying to override a system method, I'm not trying to change the behavior of a system method, I can do that in my own applications and version it separately. Unlike VisualWorks and Object Studio, if I want to override base system behavior in NB, I have to modify the owning application. Now you can argue that either way. I'm not going to tell you which one I think is better because I don't know that there is a better way. They both have their pros and cons, but that's just the way it happens to be in VA. If you want to change a system method, like if I wanted to for some reason change squared, I'd have to go to the owning application and change the method there and version it. If I want to add a new one, I can extend it like this. So, that's it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.